Unlove herself. Love loved ones who's listening. When 100,003 and 882 viewers with two eyes see the truth, and those same 100,800 or so listeners hear the truth, that vast crowd is leaving lies behind. Infinite gods and goddesses, ultimate love family, most high, our sorrow can overwhelm us all about the extreme evil to the highest power that's being attempted. So Earth needs to be shut down temporarily. Babies cannot be targeted with weapons. While the heavens watch the older earthlings decide who they want in the heavens to come down and save them and their family. It's the end of shopping for gods. Babies are in jeopardy now on Earth. Wouldn't you agree? It's time to come down, be down, and transfer all babies. As sad as that sounds. Since killers, extremists, cannibalists want the children's blood, the people in other countries that actually eat flesh, human flesh, and those on this side of the waters who don't care about, I don't even want to say it, what they are doing to babies. But to drink human blood and add to their old blood, old energy, the bastards and the witches that's headed to another hell. So we, family of love, prefer to transfer the little one's entire lives up to safety. Their real living selves that's inside the outer model of themselves. They've got to come off the earth and take flight with loving, caring takers, or along with yourselves who would join up. Those particular unloved babies who have careless parents, trifling guardians who don't watch over their kids good enough. Danger surrounds them. Those kids, they must be saved. But the kids who are loved, whose parents, whose caretakers do guard over them pretty well, those kids, those babies, they can stay with their loving bodyguards, their parents, their loved ones, till Earth is evacuated by all. Meanwhile, on these former sites, it's been me, myself, listening and conveying for Yahweh, God of Earth One, whose messages are helping many. You see the number there on the tape there, the number of people. And my messages have gotten attention as well. The Earth is extremely dangerous. It's time for a change. Just love yourself. Please go to my next fussing tape.